So guys, this is from on top of our roof, and we are looking into Troy Trelawney. So you see the place? That is Troy High School over there. Troy High School, right there. And then Clarence Brim Basic School and the health center. That's it right there. And we have to the right is the community center. So that's the play field over there. But all of that is done by Troy. Let me show you the bridge that they are constructing. See if we can zoom in and find something down there to show. Alright, so that is the bridge. Right there, so. Right there, so the bridge there. Let's see if I can get a zoom. Because I use a phone. Yeah, so that's the bridge. The new bridge. So this they call down here so now Common Road. That's behind the school, behind Troy High School. Yeah. And right there we see the post tilt over. The building that's there, it's the St. Silas Anglican Church. And the red top building is Troy Baptist Church. Yes. So we have a lot of damage down there. First time I couldn't see Troy from here. I couldn't see much of Troy. I couldn't even see the bridge. Yeah. And this is Bottom New Hope. Bottom New Hope. See my neighbor house eh? One of my neighbors, so see all them window gone. Window leak out, roof gone. Yes. So we have a lot of neighbors, you know. I mean, first time I couldn't see them a neighbor. You know, I have to go in the lane to see them. First time I have to go in the lane to see my neighbor them. But I can't stay up on top of my roof and call out to them. See it? My neighbor them near them they now. Oh, Melissa. So we chicken coop there. So we full coop mash down. And see we solar panel them there. Two of them that, and we have some more scatter all about the place. And see me have my turkey them just I wonder about the place. And me have some more common fowl and so one of them they beside the turkey. So that go on. See it? All over there so my ginger farm. And it gone down to everything gone down. Ginger farm flat. But the ginger under the ground same way.
You're sure about that? You're sure about that?
Michelle asked me if I'm sure about that. Yes, I'm sure. Where them video? You think Melissa take them out?
You never know. The girl was ruthless.
Yeah. Yeah. So Bottom New Hope. No good again. See it, my neighbor them they near. Me can call out to them and they hear me. First time, me could have called out to them and they hear, but me couldn't see them. Because I wouldn't know see them, they're so close. But them near now.
So say good morning, man.
Yes, because even the morning after the hurricane when me come out with me light, me hear one guy goalie. I say, what? Zelly come out with the floodlight.
Yeah, that time it was dark. It was like
Yes, after 5.
to 5.
After 2:05.
Yeah.
Yes. He says Zelly come out with the floodlight. Yeah. So that a tri-square. Let me see if we can zoom in on tri-square. Tri-square, they're right down here, so you know. Tri-square. Yeah. Oh Lord. See, the tree them in the forest start change now. They start get brown. Yeah. A lot of neighbors. Even the school. You can call to somebody down at the school now and they hear. I wonder if the tree them that block, you know, block the sound. And I tell you, every I mean, right through the day you hear people knocking up their roof and stuff like that. People just keep, you know, rebuilding. Yeah. But it's hard. It's still hard. Because if it was like if we had like teams working together, so we take turns and, you know, fix other person's homes, it would be quicker. But everybody I try, you know, to get one little roof over their head so they can, you know, shelter. Because, you know, some when we check it, you start do something and the rain come down, you have to run leave it. And people say they're tired. Cause we spoke to a man yesterday and they say he works until he's tired, he can't even go in the house, he have to just walk. So, you know, the place set away, it look it gloomy, it bad. Me know say you so get one of the hardest hit in this section of Trelawny, because this is South Trelawny. And you see where you're looking at the hillside over there, that's Manchester. So
I was just saying, like, you know, Cowick Park and
yeah, so we have Cowick Park. Would have Cowick Park through that little hole that you see right there.
Across the bridge.
Yeah, that's across the bridge. So that would be Manchester. So you would go through that little hole there, go to Cowick Park, you go Timbedi, Oxford, when nice river there. You go Balaclava. If you want to go Santa Cruz, you can even go Oxford and make a left turn down to Oxford, and then you go Comfort Hall, Mile Gully, go back into Mandeville. See it? So I tell you, but the place stay bad. You can see it. We have a church down on the flat there. Well at the right road me use because the church flat. everything gone down. Yesterday we go we drive through Warsop, and we saw a church right at the school gate, Warsop Primary School.
Yeah.
A church, all of the roof dead down at the roadside. The whole roof.
The one in all sides too.
Yeah, and the one in all sides. Warsop New Testament Church of God. The whole of the roof gone.
Yeah, we were unable to vlog it because when we were on that end,
it was night. Dark. Yes, it was night, and we were trying to get to Carter Wood.
Yeah.
And they had a breakaway. The road actually dropped. Like when somebody try to sit down and then squat. I saw the road go down.
Majority of it.
Yes, and then persons say we can't, if we pass it, so we still can't go no further because we have to walk because they have mudslide around there.
Yeah.
So all of that, you know.
Persons were coming on foot and they were full of mud, hands and feet.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we're grateful for life.
Yes, we are.
It's one of those things, and you know, once there's life, there's hope.
Yeah. So me just give a aerial shot a try
With your phone.
with a phone because we don't have no drone. If we had a drone, that would be good, you know. Because we could have just fly over.
Yeah.
I guess, you know.
This will have to do for now.
Yeah, this I do, man. This I do it. Yeah. And see me have some neighbor down there, so in the road. I don't know what them a talk about, what them a talk. Yeah. Yeah, see it? Knocking. People start knock already, you know. I know what time now. Just not even 7 yet. It's not 7 a.m. and people start to knock up them roof.
Rise up early to get the work started.
Yeah. I see it, the sun out. See it? Sun out. Yeah. Everywhere clear. Clear. So that mountain that you're looking at over there, that's Manchester. That's Manchester. So that part of Manchester would take you to, we have a place named Breezewell. So it would have there behind that hill there. Or one of them hill there. But so I think set, see there? So my neighbor them they near. I have one whole heap of near neighbor now. Yes. Near. See if I can get a better view. Also you have, so around there, so now around there's a tire. I mean, say around there mash up bad some part. We go around there yesterday, but we never go far because we had to turn back. We got a call, so we had to turn back. But we'll go there today. Good morning. Yes. So up on that hill up there now, behind that hill is Wilson's Run. Behind that hill. Let's see if I can go all the way up at top. Up there's our Wilson's Run. Up there, so see some buildings way over. Yes. So that's Wilson's Run. We'll go up there. We don't get a chance to go up there yet. We get calls, persons wanting to see what's happening up there, but we don't get a chance to go up there yet. And look, we're there close, but the road bad. The road is very bad, and we hear say trees and stuff in the road, so we're not sure if them clear it yet. But we can ask still. We know persons who, you know, travel that route daily, so we can find out from them if it's clear, so we can drive through. So that is it. That is Troy Trelawney. Yes. Alright, thanks for watching.